Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. And with Thanksgiving being less than a week away, I wanted to show you guys how you can grab our new Thanksgiving free printables. So make sure you watch the entire video. And if you find the video helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you end up using any of these printables, make sure to tag me over on Instagram or Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. Stay tuned. All right, to gain access to our Thanksgiving printables, you want to click the link in the description box down below, and that will give you access to our free printable resource library. As of now, I have the Rice Krispie treats, I have the chip bags, and I also have a fall theme. So you can download all three of these if you like, and plus you can check out all of the other free printables that we have available. You can also find free party printables for some of your kids' favorite characters by heading on over to our homepage and scrolling down to the free printable section. Here you'll find different party printables that I have available. I have Minecraft, I have Space Jam, The Little Mermaid, and so much more. And you can download all of these directly from the blog post. For those of you who are wanting to learn how to create your own custom designs, I have a ton of videos here on my YouTube channel showing you how to create custom wrappers for a number of different treats. I also have pre-made templates available that you can use to create your own custom designs, either for your own personal use or to start your own business. And you can also check that out on my website. You can scroll down and you will see this, and you can just click here. All right, guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more video tutorials and freebies. Remember, if you end up using any of these Thanksgiving printables, make sure to tag me over on Instagram or over on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.